Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we want to swipe down from the top of the screen, which will bring down our toggles and our notifications. And somewhere on this side where we have our toggles, we can swipe to the left, and this will show us additional pages. Now, obviously we're looking for the screen recorder. For me, this is on the second page, so once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. Choose the settings for it, so audio, you can record device, microphone, both or none. And you can also record touches wherever your finger was pressing the display. And just click on start. It begins a 3-second countdown, and then when a notification, or I guess there won't be any sound, maybe it's turned off, it will begin recording. Now whatever you'll do will be recorded on the device. There is a limit though sometimes, which I won't be able to show it right here, as there is no application that I wouldn't be able to record, which is good. So I'm just gonna open up something like YouTube. Now once you're done recording, you can close it by pulling down your notifications again, selecting stop right here. And this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. So I'm going to open it up right now. Here you'll want to navigate to collections, and then we have screenshots and videos. That's usually where you will find your screen recordings, and both of those at the same time. For me, it's probably not going to be on either one of those, so let's see. We have not a screen recording that I have captured today. Videos, nothing that I have captured today. Cool. Now this is due to someone at the company just changing the settings for a video and never changing it back, because, you know, screw others. So I'll be able to show this only once, and by just navigating to the notifications and finding the notification that it shows me that it saved the screen recording, and I can tap on it and play it back from here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.